Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. Python works on various platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Its simple syntax is similar to English. Python allows rapid prototyping due to its interpreter system, meaning code is executed as soon as it's written. Python emphasizes readability and uses new lines to complete commands. It employs indentation to define code blocks. Indentation in Python is crucial as it indicates a block of code, unlike its role in other programming languages. For example, an if statement checks a condition followed by an indented execution.